Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I look like a mess again. It's okay, let's open the next one. Oh my god. That was not satisfying. Let's see what we get in this one. Again, the guide, what we could get. I need to look through that. And then we have 1, 2. This is a magnet we have today. Look like breads or tortillas. I don't know. 3, 4, 5, 6. Even know that it comes with 6. Okay, let's do the first one. I'm gonna close my eyes and get this one. Hopefully we don't get any doubles from the ones from yesterday. We have an oat jar. And looks like it's in like overnight oats or something. I just found out that there's some that come with stuff in them. That'll be so cool to open. We have oven roasted deli turkey. And if you want to see what I'm doing with this stuff, because I would want to show you guys. We have lamb chops, which look like, if you open it, like it looks like the actual thing. Oh, we have mayo. I hate mayo, but it's so cute like this. Let's see, 2 more. We have Mikey's hot honey sauce. I think we have 1 more. This feels like a jar or like a beer, like a bottle. Double is a juice. Okay. So these are what we got today. I'm gonna try to get the ones that come with the actual with the actual stuff inside. But yeah, okay. Bye.